OT. Hey, I'm ready to make a craft with you today. We're going to make a bumblebee craft. It's a kite, and you'll be able to take it out in the backyard and fly it. So I have my materials here, and I have my daughter Abigail, and she's going to help us learn how to make this kite. So come on over, Abigail. All right, Abigail, what do we have there? What do we need?
You'll need some markers, some stickers, string or yarn in a color of your choice, a hole puncher, and a piece of paper.
Yep. And for this craft, you want just regular copy paper or some kind of thin paper. You don't want construction paper because you want your kite to be really nice and light so it can fly in the wind. So the first thing, Abigail, that you need to do is just fold your paper in half, the hamburger way. And then, Abigail, you can take your markers and write your name on one side of your kite. And for those younger kids or the kids that aren't writing their letters yet, you can have them try to imitate making vertical lines starting at the top, or horizontal lines starting at the left side of their paper, or you can have them imitate circles or pluses or other shapes or individual letters, whatever they're ready for. And then she can also use her markers. You can use your markers and make swirls or dots or any other designs you want on your kite. And you can draw on any of the four sides of the paper. You hold it up, and so there she wrote her name and added some swirls. You can also decorate with stickers if you'd like to. Whatever your child wants to do. You don't want to start gluing on heavy things like noodles or beads or anything like that because you want your kite to be light and to fly. So, are you finished, Abigail?
Yes.
When your child's finished decorating, you're going to have to probably help them. And some kids will need help folding that paper in half, too. What you'll do is you'll take one corner of the paper and bring it up to the middle of the fold. And you'll want to not crease it, just keep it looped like that. And then do the same thing to the other side. And then a parent will want to hold that for the child, although you can encourage the child to hold with their helper hand. And they're going to punch one hole at the bottom through all four layers. They may need help with that step too, depending on their age and their hand strength. So we have the corners folded up, and we have a hole punched through the whole thing. So it looks like that. Then your child can hold their kite and stick the string through, and I would continue to hold the kite for them so the holes stay lined up as well. Good. And then we're just going to tie the string. Your child will probably need help with this step depending on their age, but they can definitely help you pull the string tight. And then, whoops, there we go. I'm going to just shorten this a little bit. Okay, and then just tie that second knot so your knot stays tied. And that's your kite. Your child will hold the string, run into the wind if it's a windy day so the kite can fly, and it'll actually fly. So Abigail, why don't we go put our shoes on and we'll head out to the backyard and give it a try. Okay, here we are outside. Abigail's going to run and see if her kite will fly. Go ahead, Abigail. Woo. There it goes. Oh, yes, flying. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.